Okay, so I just realized that the last where were we? We were in the parking lot at Ulta. We never continued the
is hot.
We never continued the vlog. So we went and worked out. We did a fucking sweaty ass class. I'm so sweaty. My hair was wet.
Take your camera for a sec. Dude, whenever I went in front of the fan, all my sweat dripped down.
Anyways, now we're back at home. We took a shower. It's almost 11 o'clock and Assie has to get 12 hours of sleep tonight before she goes to work tomorrow.
Not 12.
But we want to make an acai bowl, so I'm going to show you.
Acai. You're so
Acai. How do you say it? What language is acai? It's a fucking berry. It's not a fucking language.
This is an elite.
Oh, let me try. Give me a bite. You fucking greedy bitch.
Every time I ask her for a bite, she stuffs it in her mouth faster.
I just do it to be annoying. Just kidding. Is it juicy? I don't want it if it's not juicy.
Yeah, it's good.
Where's the acai thing? What's acai?
I might throw it away.
I have to show them what I used. I didn't
It's
recycle
red.
it.
I don't know.
I put it in the trash and not the recycling.
I think I did that.
Wow. I knew myself. I would never do that. Okay, so we're gonna use this. This is from Jamba Juice. Where did I get
just hurry the fuck up?
Oh, I did get it from HEB.
I said that 3 times.
It was on sale. I think it was like $3, but we don't have enough, so we're mixing some of these berries.
Should we eat banana bread too? It's healthy.
Yeah.
We don't even need to go to Zoo because it doesn't make a difference.
That's healthy banana bread. I have a really good healthy banana bread recipe.
Yeah, we made it. You got it off the internet.
I found it off the internet, but it's still a recipe. I'll show you guys in another vlog. So we put some of this in here. I'm putting it in the NutriBullet, and then we're gonna put some almond milk. You want almond milk, right? You don't want water.
Some good berries.
Do you want almond milk or agua?
What did you put in yours?
Almond milk. It
Was
was
it good?
so fucking creamy.
If you're making
I
this
look
at home,
so ugly.
I know we do.
Look at my frizzy hair. I look like I have a halo. Can you put this in recycling?
Sarah recycles everything.
Show my blog what I told you to recycle.
I don't think I was recording, but I put them. One of us put that in the trash, and she was like, "Where's that?"
I went to check
She went to the recycling box. She goes, "Where's the acai pack?" And I was like, "I threw it away," or I think I threw it away.
I said, did I throw it in the trash? I was so mad.
She was like so shocked, and then she ran to the trash, took it out.
Okay, so
What,
we're
do
gonna
you
put.
want me to plant the stems in the garden too?
I don't know how to garden, so we can skip that. This is unsweetened vanilla. Have we had this before? I think this is the first time I bought
I
this.
just said stems. Wait, it is a stem.
I said, shut the fuck up. I'm trying. I'm trying to do.
They're numbing.
I'm trying to do what else I need to do. I did shut the door. Go shut it. Dude, you came out with that Arabic out of nowhere.
I swear, after I leave from this trip, Matthew is gonna be like, "Your sister just can't stay here anymore because you both are fucking annoying."
It's gonna be like she's never moving.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
He'll
He'll
probably pitch in to pay for my freaking master's degree and my bachelor's.
He's like, oh wait, she's
No.
about to graduate? No, she needs to get her doctorate.
We can afford it.
Is the door shut? Because we're
God.
about to blend open
I
this.
just closed it.
Okay. Oh my god, we did an ab workout today. My fucking...
That was so good though.
Dude, my abs are literally burning.
You're gonna be so sore tomorrow then.
Hold on.
I think you put too much liquid. Imagine Sarah's the bartender.
What if I was like...
I just felt a drizzle of pee come out.
Dude, I almost peed.
Oh.
Oh my god.
We have the elite fruit. Piachi. Sarah's going to a twerking class.
I'm going to a twerking class tomorrow. Dude, because my Zumba instructor
I just realized I used to make smoothie bowls all the time and I didn't realize.
Oh.
Excuse me, is this supposed to be enough for both of us?
It's not enough for both of us? That's a lot. I mean, I guess I can make my own, but
I'm just
are you being a little greedy? Are we gonna also have banana bread? Wait, let's, let's take a taste.
She can get a taste.
It's so good. It's so creamy. Oh my god, it's so flippin' good.
I'll take that.
What about me? What am I supposed to get, you fucking baby?
You're the one that did it. I was just kidding.
It was an accident. You weren't kidding. You know if I was like, okay, you can have it, you would take it. Look who was waiting for me to open the door. Because you heard the blender, fat stuff. Give Mom a kiss. Charlie, don't embarrass me. Give me a kiss. We do a few straws. How many do you want?
As many as you don't want.
I just want a few.
I love straws.
I do too, but like...
Oh, I didn't put nanners. They're gonna go bad. We should probably put some.
I was gonna use those for banana bread.
But you have 3 more in the bag.
I know. I mean, do you want some?
When are you making the banana bread?
Probably this weekend. Okay.
You better use them soon. They're about to go bad.
I know. Well, banana bread is better when it's mushy. The bananas are mushy. It makes it more moist. You wash these, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Got some... Oh, shit. I don't really like blueberries that much, so I don't put blueberries. And then this granola. It's organic granola. We fancy. What does this have? Dark chocolate, macaroon. Oh my god.
Macaroon.
And shredded coconut. It's so fucking good. Here's some granola.
We're so handy dandy.
Dude, I'm fucking wifey material.
Yeah, she really is.
I really am. Matthew's so lucky he married me.
Except he doesn't eat healthy with shit because he's a 4-year-old.
Well,
Why did you get more granola?
I put more granola in mine because I put more bloobs in yours. Do you want more? I mean, I can give you more. It's not a big deal.
I mean...
Here, just take some of mine. That's a little too much for me.
All right, thanks. That's enough.
Wait, I want that. I want that chocolate chip. Do a little bit of hun.
Guys, this is just this is such the perfect.
Like, who the fuck is
the perfect after workout meal.
Who the fuck is spending $15 on an acai
Yeah,
bowl?
did you tell them about that?
I did not. I was so mad.
Me and Sarah wanted to get acai, and I didn't even like it, if I'm being honest.
It was okay.
I paid $10 fucking for a tiny ass bowl of acai, but it was like too late. Like we were already
You know
in the
what?
moment, so I was like, okay.
I kind of want some bloobs. I changed my mind. I'll just take 3.
You just want 3? Okay, here.
There we go. It's finished product. Muy delicioso. Hello, vlog. God, I'm so hot. I don't know if I can film this video. Actually, I'm so sweaty. I just got back from working out. I didn't even take a shower yet. Huh? Yeah, at this point, it's already been like an hour that I've been home, but we're doing, what is this called?
Cook with me.
We're doing a cook with me because I'm making banana bread. So I found this recipe on Pinterest. It's actually for muffins, but I make it into bread. So I'll link it below, but I made it before and it was... So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Also, I have to make this because these bananas are just about done. So this is 3 bananas. These are gonna go in here. We're gonna do all the wet ingredients first. They're gonna go in here. Asya, you're ruining my cook with me. Like a healthy banana bread, it's not really that healthy because, you know, I put chocolate in it.
It is healthy.
I guess it's semi-healthy. It's like a healthier alternative to banana bread, but it's so good. Asya, wasn't it so good the last time I made it?
Yeah.
Asya has a popsicle. You're gonna be on True Life. I have a popsicle edition. I have a popsicle addiction. I eat 42 popsicles a day.
I seriously have a popsicle edition.
You literally have problems. Okay, so instead of sugar, we're using honey for sweetness.
I mean that Sarah doesn't buy the right honey, so it's bad for
Well,
you.
this was the only honey they had, but I bought a. I like to buy.
Here, baby, aren't you sorry?
I buy a local honey. Excuse you? This one is just a random honey because this was all they had at the other grocery store I went to. But I went to my regular grocery store and they have the local honey, like it's just pure honey. This is probably like a fake ass honey, but it doesn't matter because it's empty. Can you put that in recycling, please, assistant?
So cute.
And can you get me the other honey? Asya, this is my cooking show. You're holding up production. I really wish that I had my own Food Network cooking show.
What do you want?
I need the honey, please. Put that in recycling, please. Get out of my cooking show. Put that on top of something so it doesn't get in the thing.
You have too many instructions.
We need a tablespoon of vanilla. I don't feel like getting the...
Okay, that's enough sugar for me.
I don't feel like getting the tablespoon
Now what's
dirty,
my
so I'm just
dessert
gonna
after
use
my
this.
popsicle?
It's about a tablespoon. Tablespoon of coconut oil. I swear I thought there was peanut butter in this recipe. I feel like peanut butter would make it so much better. Should I just add peanut butter? Fuck it. I'll just do a tablespoon. That should be good, right? If I can't taste the peanut butter, I'll add a little bit more. This isn't in the recipe. I'm just making this part of the recipe. Okay, we need 1 egg. I tried to be cool and crack it with one hand, but it got all fucked up. I had to abort that plan. We need a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. I think this whole container is 1/2 cup. I just buy the single ones, so I'm not wasting. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. Oh, and then we need almond milk. I forgot. I forgot, we need a tablespoon of almond milk. Go. And I think those are all the wet, yeah, those are all the wet ingredients. I put everything in the NutriBullet because it is so much more convenient than a big ass blender. So I'm gonna mix up everything in here and then I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs more peanut butter. Last time I made this, I don't think the bananas were ripe enough. They were like a pinch unripe and you could kind of taste it in the banana bread. I mean, it was still good, but I wish they were a little more ripe. So this time I waited until they were like bad. Like I probably would have had to throw them away tomorrow. So hopefully this is better.
Okay, I'm naked, so am I in the back?
God damn, that's fucking good. I think I want a little more peanut butter. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more. Do another tablespoon. I swear you can never go wrong with peanut butter unless you have a peanut allergy. For the dry ingredients, you want to use whole wheat flour, and I was a little skeptical at first, but I was like, you know what, let me just try it and see if it's good, because if it is, you know, it's not as bad as like white, you know, so it's pretty good. This is a 1/2 cup that I'm measuring, so I'm just gonna do, I don't know why I didn't grab the full cup. So 3 of these, since this is a 1/2 cup. I think I need a little more. And then we need a teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A little bit of salt. And I think that's it for the dry ingredients. Oh, chocolate chips. I forgot. So this calls, I think, for dark chocolate chips, but I like sweet. I don't mind dark, but I mean, fuck it. Let's just splurge on the chocolate chip. So it asks for 1/2 cup, and we're gonna do that and a little bit more. Oh, bitch. You can use a mixer if you want. I have a handheld mixer, but I just don't feel like cleaning it because it's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm so dirty from working out and I just want to take a shower, but I really wanted to get this in the oven. So I'm just gonna use whisk. I swear the last time I made this, I was like, dude, this is so liquidy. It's not coming together, but it comes together in the end. I swear to God it does. Oh, I'm so excited to eat this. This is, dude, you guys. Okay, so I don't like bananas. I actually like hate bananas with a burning passion, but I like them if they're mixed with something else. Like I won't just eat a banana by itself. If it's in like a fruit salad or something, I won't eat it. You know, I'll pick out the bananas, but I like them in smoothies. So I'll add like a 1/2 banana to like a protein shake or a smoothie, and I love banana bread. Does that make any sense? I swear, sometimes I wonder about myself, but I don't like them by themselves, you know? It's like the same way with onions. Like I hate onions. I'll pick them out of my food, but I like onion flavor. Like I love Funyuns. Oh, have you guys ever had the hot Funyuns? Oh my God, life-changing. I'm using this and the dimensions are 5 by 9. I'm gonna take some spray. We're gonna pour this in here. And I have the oven preheating. Well, it's already preheated. It's on 350. We are going to bake this for about, I want to say it's like 45 minutes. I believe the recipe says to bake it for 25 minutes, but again, you know, that's because it's muffins. But since we're doing bread, it needs a little more time to cook. So I think it was good after 40 or 45 minutes. So I'll check it at 40 minutes. And then if it needs to be a little bit longer, I'll check it again. I'll leave it in for like 5 minutes and check it at 45 minutes. So that's all done. Kind of zhuzh it out, make sure it's all even. And because I just fucking love chocolate. I love chocolate, you guys. I love chocolate. I love chocolate. We're gonna do a little bit of chocolate chips on top because I want it to just be like filled with chocolate. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven and then I'll set a timer for 40 minutes. It's 11 fucking 30. Why am I making banana bread this late? I just checked in, it was still a little raw in the center, so I put it in for 5 more minutes. It's been like 45 minutes. Let's check. Please be done. Oh, yes. It's still a little moist. Maybe like 5 more minutes. Yeah, it's still a little raw. Leave it for another 5 minutes because I like it a little moist in the center. I don't want it like too dry, but I'll leave it for 5 minutes and then we'll come back.
Dude, aren't you scared to sleep with Matthew?
No. Why would I be scared?
The beast. Dude, I went in there, okay? And the door, like, closed shut behind me. It made a loud noise. And I, like, stood behind the wall with my heart beating to hear his snore before I proceeded.
He's so crabby.
And then I ran into the chair and I was like, you're fucking kidding me. And then I made a noise in the back and I, like, held my breath until I heard him snore.
That happened to me, too. I stepped on an empty water bottle and it was like... And then I was like...
I held my breath.
And then, wait. And then I lifted my foot and it was like... And then, I'm not done. And then, after I took my foot off, I accidentally kicked the water bottle.
Oh my god.
And then...
I love how Charlie can just go in there and make all the noise he wants.
And then... Say hi, Choo-Choo. I ran into the chair on my way out. And I was like...
I literally kept holding my breath.
I was like, sorry. And then I just left before
and
he
then
could
I
say
was
anything.
like thinking if he wakes up and gets up, I was just gonna keep hiding and avoiding him in the dark and then just let him go blame you.
Let's take a peek on the inside.
Can we just eat it? Can you just eat on the paper towel? I don't feel like washing it.
Ooh, that looks so flipping good. All right, hold on.
Dun, dun, dun,
Okay,
dun,
wait.
dun, dun, dun,
Taste
dun,
test?
dun, dun. I'm just kidding.
You scared me. I jumped. There's
It's
a bomb.
good.
Okay, wait, my turn. What if I was editing this video and there was a face behind?
I would shit my pants.
I would shit my pants. I would literally shit my internal organs out.
That dryer's so fucking loud. Dun, 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 dun. Did you cut my tits out when you showed me?
Look at my hair.
You have a roach in your head. It's like a dead bug. No, I'm just kidding.
Bro,
You know what I woke up to this morning?
it doesn't even taste like
you know what I
wheat
woke up to
flour.
this morning?
What?
I like you know when you're like barely awake?
Yeah.
I look over, there's just a spider like normal crawling on my bed.
I don't know why we get so many
blanket and I
spiders.
squished it and I wiped it on the carpet. Every day I see a spider in the same spot. Like I'll lay my head here, I'll look this way, and it's just a baby spider crawling so fast in the same spot every day.
Matthew needs to spray outside. I don't know why we get so
He
many
needs to
spiders.
spray inside.
We always get spiders in the summer.
Sick.
I don't know why.
And on the bed, like that's just maybe on the floor, okay, but on the bed, that's an invasion of privacy, and that's something I can't stand.
You know they say you eat 7 spiders a year.
A year, baby, I eat 7 spiders an hour. Like there's spiders all the time. I wake up to them.
I don't know why we get so many spiders.
It's sickening. It's sickening.
Azia, Matthew sprays. He has an industrial
you need
spider
to get
sprayer.
an exterminator inside the house.
We don't have an infestation.
It doesn't matter. You just spray to prevent bugs.
No, we can't spray. We're not professionals.
They don't do it for free.
No, bitch, they don't do it for free. Who does anything for free? I don't even drive you to work for free.